APBC Calculus students, this is the second part of the video about Euler's method. Remember, you must pronounce the name correctly, not a Euler, but the Euler. Euler's method of approximation is a repeated use of equation of tangent line. We are just organizing the work in the table so that it looks neat and clean and our answer is easier. You must have the heading of the table and you must declare the answer. So in this video, I'm just going to walk through a couple of examples. These are the past AP style questions as well. So they give you the table here instead of equation. All you have to do is understand the table. X values, selected X values are given to you. 2 equal steps, approximate 2.6. So you have to, this is what you will see, that what is your dx value. Dx is negative 0.2. Here dx is negative 0.2. So you can still make the table x, y. Here the equation would be dy is equal to f prime of x times dx. We know that dy dx is f prime of x. So you know that dy dx is f prime of x times dx, and this is your new y. So it's not like you need to have a table. You can start from here. 3 is a 2. So your first value is a 3 and 2. F prime of 3 times negative 0.2. F prime of 3, you have to read that number is in 0.4. So 0.4 times negative 0.2, and you can evaluate that number. This will be negative 0.8, and this new y is 2 minus 0.08, and that number comes out 1.92. And yes, these questions, sometimes it is with calculator, sometimes without calculator. So then your next point is 2.8. That's the 1.92, and then you repeat the process. I'm just giving you the answer. This answer comes out 1.78. So you should be able to use the Euler's method without the equation. Sometimes they are asking, here you start with a 0 and you go to 2. So this is a normal problem. This is a normal problem. I'm just giving you the answer here. You try your answer. I'm keeping it in terms of fraction. 0 to 2. Oh, 4 equal steps. There we go. 4 equal steps. So feel free to use a calculator to do the arithmetic. This is just the practice problem. Normally in AP exam, they do not ask you more than 2 steps. So 4 steps from 0 to 2. That's why dx is a 0.4. And I'm just giving you the answer. Answer comes out 1/2 plus 3 over 16. I highly encourage that you do this question. There are 4 steps. Feel free to use calculator to add, subtract numbers. There are programs also in a calculator. You are allowed to use the programs. I do have some programs, but I do not share because it's sometimes you use, sometimes you don't. So it's better that we practice by hand. Now your assignment is starting from this page and onwards. This is your assignment, which is your page number 33. Your packet looks different, which I already explained in the video. Your packet looks different, but the questions are same. Make sure this homework you show the table with the header. And I have posted these answers in the file section. All the answers are posted in the file section. Make sure you do the work, show your table and everything, and you can check the answers. They are posted in the file sections. Now the next couple of pages are again normal straightforward problems. You can check your work. Now this is the number 7 is a so many table in like unnecessary information is given to you. So you should know that you start with -2 and 3. So if you are making a table, you are starting with -2 and 3. dy is f prime of x times dx. And you have to read the f prime value. This is not f. Know that this is f prime. They did not give you f value. You are beginning at -2 to 3. So this would be -0.8. And the dx is they gave you step size. So try your best to see how far the answer is 2.4. This one is you are going backward. Number 8, you are going backward. So make sure your dx is negative. Now, I would like you all to do the AP questions as well, which is page number 37 and 38. I have posted this PDF copy, which is better, clear writing. Your print is not very clear in the packet, so feel free to use your packet or this my notes posted in the module. I want you to have actual AP questions, like what this is, 1999, 2008. Take a look at all these questions I have posted. Now, extra part is sometimes they show you is approximation less than or greater than. And this is where you have to do the second derivative part. You have to find the second derivative, you substitute the value, and you explain the answer. So make sure you know how to do the second derivative piece as well. All these answers are posted again in the files. You must know how to do this. You must know all of these questions. And if any question, make sure you ask, come in a lunchtime or after school. But normally Euler's method, most of the students are getting it. It's just we need more practice. So take a look at your packet looks like this, but my packet is different. Anyway, I'm not going to say it again. I apologize for not giving you very clear copy of the paper. Thank you. Thank you for understanding. I'll see you in class.